This John Rea Realty property video is presented by Mark Phelps. Fresh and like new. Fresh paint throughout this fabulous 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home. The ceilings are high and the flooring in the main living areas and bedrooms is new. The roof was replaced in 2021. New stove and the fridge remains. The primary bedroom is large with a sitting area. Screened porch overlooks the spacious backyard. Come check this one out before it is sold. For more information, review the details below or contact Mark Phelps at 318-388-0941.